Education is a passport to accelerated development of a country and is the key to build the human capital. Various organizations are striving in different parts of India to address this grave issue. Divya Deepa Charitable Trust, a rural-based NGO, is trying to find a solution to this issue with its unique approach. Located around 15 kilometers from the historical city Mysore in South Indian state Karnataka is an alternative school Kaliyomane, meaning home for learning.
In Vivekananda Kendra, so obviously Sri Aurobindo and Vivekananda's ideals are the inspiration, and I derive joy from the children's faces, actually happy children's faces. Vivekananda Kendra Kanyakumari. So I read a lot of books, written by Vivekananda. He pinpoints, single factor for India not becoming a developed country. That is education. And you go to city, there are ICSE school, CBSE school, English medium school, and all those things. But if you come to rural belt, no, situation is really hopeless. Actually. Children are bright, but schools are not up to the mark actually. So in this background we started conducting special classes for school going children as well as school dropouts in a village, Srirampura. Children response was very good actually. They used to attend our classes, they used to come to classes morning 6 o'clock itself. Response was very good and everybody who used to come to our classes passed also with excellent marks. And we thought actually why rural children should lag behind in education system. We found out 3 reasons. Any child's education, atmosphere at home is important, then school is important, and his own inherent talent. His inherent talent, maybe we cannot do anything, but school definitely we can change, then home. So we started this school, Kaliyomane. In English it means home for learning. Normal schools work on the principle of children are for the school, but our school is based on the principle, school is for the children. Here we are ready to bend any rules, keeping in view of the welfare of the kids. So when we started in 3 years before we started this school actually, with 14 kids, 4 were inmates, 10 were day scholars from the neighboring villages. I don't know, people put faith in us actually, somehow we started the school. Next year strength went up to 23. Next year 37, maybe this year, maybe we are limiting ourselves because of lack of infrastructure to 40 children actually. And most of the children's background is they belong to socially and economically backward rural community. At least 40% are school dropouts, some parentless children, some children from broken families. They are staying here as inmates actually. We are very happy that Grace and Gratitude Trust Pondicherry has come forward to support our project in a very big way. And one more biggest plus point is involvement of youth, especially from engineering background. A lot of students have come here, they have played with our children, they have taught our children. More than that, they have given dreams to our kids.
Dance for kids and also music sometimes. I rarely teach music, but dance is my first preference. They learn with they have a lot of enthusiasm to learn. They are very, if you just teach them one step, they are they are eager to learn another step. So that makes me more, that inspires me to teach them very regularly and come here without missing any Fridays. I come here every Friday. And last 2 months it was a holiday, like I didn't have exercised my body because I didn't teach them dance. I usually don't get time to practice at home. So when I come here, it's like practicing to me as well as teaching to students. So that's how. There were a couple of functions held here in Divya Deepa, and one of the best was the foundation laying ceremony. In that, all the students, like most of the students participated in Hachu Kannada Deepa and Aja Nachle title song performance. Hachu Kannada Deepa was combined, like both boys and girls, and best
I was in
Shweta and Mahesh.
of my engineering. One of my classmates, she messaged me saying that there's a meeting for. No, that's her message was there in that SMS. So I went to that place and she explained me all the things, like we are going to form a group where that will help these kind of organizations where we have to find them and do it. Then we said okay. We were around 20 to 30 volunteers who assembled there. Then later on we met Ashwin and some other seniors. So we met them and we came to know that there's an organization where our help is very much needed. So an organization called Divya Deepa Charitable Trust. It's an alternative school called Kaliyamane. Then we planned to come here and to visit this place. So we visited this place and we saw what are the things that's going on, and so we then decided that we'll be visiting this place every weekend, and we did so.
What are the activities you are involved in here?
Involved in everything.
Yeah. What are the funding?
Yeah, I do involve in funding, fundraising. In
Initially when we were in hostel, so we had a gang of friends. We used to just roam around and have fun. So at some point of time we started discussing about few issues that are prevailing around us. Let's say maybe corruption, or education, rural development, all such things. So after some time, the discussions took a bigger, it went to the bigger extent. So and finally we started thinking about how we can start involve ourselves, to bring a change, probably a small change, which will impact the country in some way or the other. So accidentally we met up Mr. Anand Kumar in a function. We just had a discussion about what Mr. Anand is doing in Divya Deepa, and so this is the point where we connected ourselves with the organization. So we just had a visit to the place, and we were just two friends. So we got so impressed with the place and the kind of principles, the core principles in which it is operating. It made us very happy, and the extent of happiness was so much that we get back to home and we started thinking about how we can take this forward in terms of how we can make a difference and all those things. So during free time, so we used to discuss the same thing. We took forward the discussion to our friends and hostel mates. So after a while we formed a group. So we just started coming out here. I think the first point, the first good thing that we did is to come here personally